Okay, we're gonna show you how to do pest control on the inside. So let me show you what we're using. We just found this at Lowe's, kind of probably on a clearance rack or on sale or something. It's got a little hose and a nozzle and handle, so it's easy to use. We just spray along the baseboards. So you'll wanna go around the house, do the baseboards, and then, what else, honey?
You go anywhere they can come in at, water and food. Pretty much whatever they're after. They're gonna come in through the doors, windows, and then looking for water, mainly.
So we wanna make sure we spray by the front door, the back door, the garage door, behind the toilets, by the shower, and the bathtub. Do you spray in the bathtub?
It doesn't really, it's not gonna do any good, it's gonna wash away. So.
Okay, so not in the bathtub. Around water sources, under the sinks.
Yeah.
Do you spray by the windows?
Not on the sills, I usually just do it on the ground.
On the ground. Okay, and then food, so around the fridge, around the pantry, and of course you don't want to leave food out or unwrapped because that's just gross. But we did notice we just sprayed the backyard and the bugs are coming toward the house, right?
Yes, so you just want to make sure you're spraying inside then outside, that way they run away from here rather than in here. And if you notice them too bad, then I mean, this is just maintenance. This will keep them down. So
right.
We've already paid for all the bug professionals to come through, so we're just maintaining it.
So about once a year, we hire the bug guy. And where are you going? We hire the bug guy, and then after that, we just kind of maintain it. So this is an easy way for you to do that yourself, and that's it, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to spray your home and your property for bugs, doing your pest control yourself. Alright, make sure you're wearing gloves, glasses, and a mask. And make sure you're doing this on a not windy day. I'm going to be using this Ortho Home Defense Max. You're going to lift up this to open up to the gun. And then how this gun works is you just pull it slowly, and that's going to build up pressure. Make sure the nozzle is set to spray right here. Alright, so we're going to spray at the base of all the doorways. You can go ahead and spray the sill too of the doorway. You're also going to spray all the way around your house, all around the perimeter, right up against the wall. Go ahead and spray about, 2 to 4 inches. Spray large cracks around your home too, because the roaches love to come out of these cracks. If you've got any vents around the foundation of your home, go ahead and spray around those. Spiders love to build their little houses around those. We're going to spray around our whole yard where the grass meets the concrete. This is going to keep all the roaches and stuff from when they crawl off the grass to the cement. It's going to kill them. All the way around your whole entire yard. Make sure your pets and dogs and cats are in for at least a couple hours after you do this. You can go ahead and spray around all your window frames. Make sure your windows are shut. Go ahead and spray along the edge of your garage door so you keep them all from getting in your garage. That's an easy place for them to get in. Another good spot to do is around dryer vents, anywhere they can get inside, even like spigots. If there's like little cracks around there, they love water. If you've got any water utility covers or anything like that, say in your alley or something, the roaches love those, so spray all the way around those. Even around your garbage can. Make sure you get a nice thick coating around the front of your front door. All along the porch, around that baseboard, that plate right there. Keep them from coming in. They love to come in that crack underneath the front door. Go ahead and spray around places where a lot of spiders and stuff make their nests and stuff, and then they won't be able to make their nests again, like porch lights and such. Alright guys, and that's it.